Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture, we shall see problems on surds and indices. Let us check the concepts and formula. Surds. Let a be a rational number and n be a positive integer such that a power 1 is equal to nth root of a, which is irrational. Then nth root of a is called surd of order n. Okay. So this is called nth root of a, which is of order n. Okay. Next, let us see the laws of surds. Nth root of a is equal to a power 1 by n. Similarly, nth root of product ab is equal to nth root of a into nth root of b. Similarly, division formula. And nth root of a raised to power n is equal to a. Next, nth root of a is equal to mn root of a. Next, nth root of a raised to power m is equal to nth root of a raised to a power m. So here the power can be brought inside the nth root. Okay. This is about laws of surds. Next, we shall see the laws of indices. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Similarly, a power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a power m minus n. So, when the two values are multiplied, we can add the powers, and when they are divided, we can subtract the powers. Okay. Next is a power m raised to power n is equal to a power m into n. Next, ab power n is equal to a power n into b power n. Similarly, a by b power n is equal to a power n divided by b power n. And finally, a raised to power 0 is equal to 1, or any number raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So these are the laws of indices. You can have a look. Okay, we shall solve few problems in the next lecture. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.